Most people think you need to drop $20 a month on premium AI subscriptions to get actual production-grade web research. It's a myth. If you know exactly how to pull the levers, Perplexity AI's free tier is an absolute powerhouse for founders, developers, and creators. You don't need a pro account to build deep research models, audit live web data, or deploy automated workflows. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to extract maximum value from Perplexity without spending a single dollar. Let's get straight into it. First up is the baseline, unlimited basic search. While other platforms gatekeep their premium models behind strict hourly caps or throttle you down to prehistoric text engines after 5 prompts, Perplexity lets you run as many standard conversational queries as your fingers can type. On the back end, it dynamically routes your prompt to the best foundational LLM for that specific job. You don't have to guess whether you need speed or deep reasoning. The platform handles the infrastructure optimization for you. Blindly trusting AI output is a fast track to shipping bad data. That's why the free tier's live sourcing and inline citations are critical. Every single answer generated doesn't just pull from stale, static training data. It crawls the live web. Perplexity embeds clickable, numbered citations directly next to its claims. This means you can instantly audit the exact web source to verify the information before baked-in hallucinations ruin your project roadmap or script. You don't need a premium plan to parse your own data. The free tier includes basic file uploads. If you have a massive PDF report, an API documentation file, or a raw dataset sheet, you can drop it straight into the prompt bar. While the file size and volume are restricted compared to the paid tiers, it is more than enough to analyze localized project specs, draft clean code snippets based on a framework doc, or pull core data insights instantly. Research is useless if it sits buried in your personal history tab. The free tier gives you access to pages and spaces to solve this. Think of spaces as structured private folders to categorize your research by project. Once a specific thread contains all the data you need, you can hit one button to convert that messy conversational thread into a beautifully formatted modular public article called a page, perfect for sharing with a co-founder or your target audience. When you sign in with a free account, clicking the Focus Search tag reveals a game-changing mode, Learn Step by Step. Instead of dumping an overwhelming wall of text at you, this mode forces the engine into an interactive, chronological tutorial format. It breaks down multi-layered, complex ideas into sequential stages. If you're debugging complex programming logic, tackling advanced math, or trying to trace a historical timeline, this is your default setting. If you want to know what's trending across the tech ecosystem without burning time browsing fragmented social feeds, look at the Discover tab. This isn't just a basic RSS news feed, it's an AI-curated dashboard of trending tech events, global news, and deeply researched public threads compiled by other users. It gives you a macro-level overview of complex current events, complete with pre-summarized data blocks, so you can skip the manual searching entirely. When you need hard, cold numbers, standard web searches fail because they surface biased opinion blogs or generic market commentary. By switching your focus to finance navigation, Perplexity pins its search parameters strictly to live market engines, public regulatory filings, and authoritative corporate balance sheets. It filters out the noise so founders and builders can track real-time stock metrics, analyze competitor quarterly earnings, or look up macro trends with zero fluff. For the builders doing deep tech R&D, university research, or looking for dense technical proofs, you need the academic navigation mode. This instructs Perplexity to completely ignore standard websites and look exclusively within scholarly databases like Semantic Scholar. It surfaces high-level research papers, experimental white papers, and formal academic documentation, providing direct, formal citations that you can plug straight into a literature review or a technical patent draft. If you're launching a hardware gadget or a unique software architecture, you must check if your idea is actually proprietary.
The Patents Navigation filter scans global intellectual property records and official legal patent databases. Standard search engines deliberately bury these dense legal files behind paywalls or complex government UI. This tool isolates them instantly, allowing you to run prior art searches and track what your direct competitors are filing in real time. You don't have to stay locked to the Perplexity web page. Free users can download Comet, Perplexity's dedicated companion browser built for desktop and mobile. While it functions as a highly optimized, clean daily browser, it features a permanent built-in assistant panel. This side panel allows you to chat directly with whatever web page you're currently viewing, giving you the power to instantly summarize 50-page developer docs, extract data tables, or find specific text anchors instantly. The absolute best way to turn the free tier into an automated worker is through the Skills tab. Think of a skill as a pre-built, reusable playbook or a core instruction set that teaches the AI how to handle specialized professional workflows consistently. Instead of typing out a massive multi-paragraph prompt every single time you want a piece of work done, you just trigger a specific skill using simple keywords, forcing the AI to structure and format your output exactly the way you need it every single time. For example, if you're a content creator, starting your query with "draft a LinkedIn post" automatically pulls in the content creation skill to optimize hook timing and spacing. Product managers can type "create a PRD for" to instantly deploy the "create product requirements document" skill, forcing a formal corporate engineering layout. Or you can drop a data file and type "profile this dataset" to activate the data exploration skill, which runs an automated quality and pattern check across your entire sheet. Now, let's keep it completely transparent. As powerful as the free tier is, there is a hard ceiling designed to make you upgrade. Here's exactly what you cannot do unless you pay. First, choose your LLM. Free users cannot manually switch the back-end brain between GPT, Claude, or Gemini. Perplexity locks that toggle and decides the routing for you. Second, generate media. There's zero tool logic on the free plan to create AI artwork, vector illustrations, or marketing images. Third, bypass traffic throttling. During peak global working hours, free accounts get pushed to the back of the processing queue, meaning slower response generation or strict query limits. And finally, you miss out on advanced multi-step workflows. Paid workflows allow the AI to chain multiple complex tools together autonomously, like generating 4 visual thumbnail variations for a video, building a fully linked 3-statement financial model with dynamic editable assumptions, or running an interactive clause-by-clause legal contract review against an enterprise playbook. If you need multi-layered automation, you'll hit a wall on free. Here's the bottom line. If your daily workflow requires intense automated pipeline execution, custom LLM selection, or asset generation, the $20 Pro plan is completely justified. But if your goal is elite-level research, factual verification, fast document analysis, and leveraging hyper-focused search filters to build out content, code, or company strategies, the free tier of Perplexity AI isn't just usable, it's arguably the best free utility on the internet right now. Stop paying for subscriptions you aren't fully exhausting. Drop a comment below letting me know if you're sticking to the free tier or if workflows are enough to make you upgrade. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into raw software and AI tooling. See you in the next one.